Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Razani Mishra, Oriflame Miss Universe Nepal 2022 finalist, and today we are here at Oriflame Soothes Cosmetics. For over 55 years, we have enabled people from all over the world to celebrate their inner beauty and fulfill their dreams. Oriflame Nepal is offering a wide range of products that focuses on skin care, hair care, body care and color cosmetics. We cannot deny all the products here at Oriflame are amazing, but I have something very special for you all. Let's check them out. Let me introduce you all to our Love Nature products. Love Nature celebrate ingredients from nature that smell and feel fantastic. Every pleasurable product has been created to benefit your body and respect the planet. These products are biodegradable and are dermatologically tested. This is Love Nature Soothing Mask with organic oat and goji berry, a rich, buttery face mask that soothes dry skin to leave you looking radiant and healthy, which restores dry skin to a state of calm and comfort. It is suitable for all dry skin types. You can find Oriflame products at your nearest beauty parlor, department stores like Bhatbhatini, Big Mart, Salisbury and Sainsbury's, and also in online shopping portals like Daraj, Sasto Deal, Gapu and Tulu.com.